Hey everybody, Robin here. I don't know if you've noticed, but tire prices have been going up and up and up. And we've noticed. So Brian Ringer and I, via the podcast, got together and discussed some talking points. Is that redundant? I can't quite tell. About tires and prices and things we can do to help customers find worthwhile rubber for the road on a dime that is perhaps more complementary to their bankroll. Travis Burleson then chimed in and shows a few tires that he likes, and we have created a new page on the website that is the Rubber Watch. Again, mouse over DigiTools and click on motorcycle tire prices. You'll get this very same page I'm looking at and reloading, and basically it's a curated page full of tire prices that will be updated on the regular between Travis Burleson, Brian, and myself. And we'll tell you all about the Bridgestone T32s, the Continental Conti Motions, the Dunlop Mutants, the Dunlop Road Smart 3, Dunlop Road Smart 4, Kenda KMO1s, Messlers, the Michelins, the Road 6 GTs, the Pirellis, all of it. So we're going to be keeping track and keeping tabs about tire prices on the market today. I just ordered the Conti Motions, and I'm looking forward to giving those a shot. They are the best bang for the buck. Their demographic is new and experienced riders. So either you're new enough not to want to spend any coin, or you're good enough to know how to use a tire like this. The Continental Conti Motions, I will report back after the fact. Check it out. Robin Dean out.